RHE had an amazing run today. So, I mean, you could still have a little squeeze, like if you're trying to go from, you know, geez, can I trace this thing properly? So, I mean, if you look here, jeez. So, for those of you who got in, the question is, you think this run is different from previous run in December? Um, I personally got out here as soon as he hit. Hey guys, this is 5 minutes. Okay, yeah. I got out here because around here, I saw this. This morning I saw this run. It did an amazing run this morning, just from here. And even like if you were paying attention last week, you would have noticed um, this lift off here. So I looked at this lift off. I didn't do. I think I saw this a little bit late around here, so I just kind of didn't really make much. Probably I got in and got out ASAP because I wasn't sure if this was stable, but looking at how it performed and watching it, missed that for it to like almost that. How many percent? That's 100, you plus percent last week. So Michael, okay, let's keep an eye on it. So definitely saw it this morning and jumped in. Rode it from at about 10 and 10ish to up here and got out. So for those of you who got in, I don't know if you're still holding, but when I look here on the volume is down, right? You see the um, geez, the volume right there. Um, I saw that big sales wall as well was also an indication to get out. The MSCD was flipping over too, so you see here that I think so, what also caused this is the correction because it hit the RSI up, and I mean I'm not really paying attention to the news, but just looking at the chart and the fundamental here strictly, um, yeah, just it going all the way. This is why I got out here. If anybody's still holding, perhaps that decision was a good decision to get out right there. It's just I look back, here looked exciting. So I don't know if you looked at the whole chart, but I got in here. It was exciting run. But when you go all the way back, you see that this, and even you look at back here, all the way back here in 2019, you see it does repeat the same pattern. Those quick spiky down here, you know what I mean? Spiky and then it goes down, spiky goes down, spiky goes down, spiky goes down. So this is more like you can't get on this on a high, you know what I mean, if you're planning to hold on long term. But it'll be interesting to see how this does tomorrow and for the rest of the week. But if I want to call this, I'm just saying that it's the same pattern. If you look here too, if you look how this asset moves, you see that it often does this high peaks. So perhaps this is a big lift off. Perhaps this is gonna break through tomorrow or later on, but we'll see. On the 1 hour though, just on the 1 hour, you see exactly what I'm talking about. You see that it's just coming down. You know what I mean? I don't know what support was this. It broke on the weekend. So let's see. This was last week. So he broke through this, and now he's testing up here to see. Okay, what? I mean, this is Friday, right? This is Friday. So pretty much just testing out. He broke through that, and then today a quick 10% wasn't bad. 10% there, but wasn't a bad scrap for a day, but you know, trying to see if it's a good candidate for long, right? This is a good bet for long. Um, I'm still gonna keep an eye on it. Yeah, $13. I mean, took that little slip. Yeah. What are the catalysts for the drop, and what are the catalysts for the up? Hmm. What would that be though? I want to run the Fibonacci. Fibby. When is it gonna test 18? And when is it gonna test? Hmm. So it's gonna test 18 for sure. I'm trying to figure out when will it test $60.